Hey there, I'm Zach Mayfield. Recently, I sold a whole bunch of Fuji gear and used the money to purchase a brand new lens, the Sigma 85mm 1.4. Did it transition? With the help of my trusty steed, the SONY A7S III, I went downtown Nashville to shoot some sexy cinematic Sigma Sony snapshots. I got a bunch of decent shots and had some great conversations, so thank you for joining me here on this YouTube video channel, and I'll see you downtown. Alexa, what's the weather?
It's 57 degrees and sunny. Expect a high of 63 and a low of 41.
This is beautiful. This is perfect. So excited to shoot with this lens. I just sold all of my Fuji gear so I could just condense all of my gear down to the A7S III, the Sigma 85 1.4, and I also got the Sigma 24-70 2.8. So I'm a full Sony and Sigma simp at this point, and I have zero shame. Oh, this is just, this is gonna be nice. I gotta make sure my stabilization is turned on. I'm really excited to be using an 85mm because I won't be up in people's faces as much. I know a lot of normal focal lengths for street is like 28 to 35, like kind of that region that kind of challenges you to get up close to people, but I just really want to try to respect people's distance. Not that other street photographers don't, it's just, this is what I want to try out. I'm really excited. Make sure my exposure's in a generally good setting. Looking good to me. Wish there was someone at the top of these stairs. This looks like a really nice little scene. That's cool.
Is your GoPro recording?
Yeah, it is right now. Yeah. Here we go. Now we got some people in the area. That's cool. I need to find a way to make my chest rig a little more under the radar. Probably wearing black would probably help, actually. But alas, I did not think of these. I know a lot of photographers feel like our job is to document the world as it is, which I agree. But also, I don't want to use people in a bad situation for my personal gain, like YouTube views or whatever, you know? It's just not something I want to do. Can I take a couple shots of you? Cool. How's the playing going today?
Just started.
Just started? Nice.
It's really cool. I get to play in practice.
Hey, yeah, exactly. And make a few bucks here and there. That's cool.
Yeah, I'm trying to beat my average.
What's your average?
$47 an hour.
That's
It
good.
comes and goes. Hey, the most I've made is 50.
That's really
And I
good.
only work for a couple hours.
Yeah, you'll be shredding in a couple months.
Oh man, that's Tina S. I don't know if you ever heard of her.
No.
She disappeared. I think she's the greatest guitarist in the world.
Tina S.
She's from France.
Okay, I'll look her up. I love guitar. You jamming? He's jamming. That's awesome. Gosh, it's so pretty out. I'm gonna shoot something at like 5.6 from my buddy Tom's recommendation. Looks really cool. Go this way. Can I get a photo of your puppy?
Of course.
I have to. I'll send your check in the mail in 3 days. Oh, that's so cute. Thank you.
You have a
Appreciate it. You too, man. It's really hard to get like sneaky sniper shots of this thing. I'm gonna try one right here. I'm just gonna put my camera down low,
aim at this lady and see if I can get anything.
Nice shot.
Oh, this guy's cool. Focus, focus, focus. He was focusing on that pole. Oh, that one's cool. That dude just walked into my frame. Hey, you want a picture? Got it, thank you. Very surprised how good the autofocus is on the Sigma. It is lightning quick on the Sonys. That's cool. Oh, dude, yes, I saw this lady earlier. She's wearing an all red jumpsuit and she has an old, looks like a Canon SLR. I want to get a shot of her holding the camera. She's not messing around. You want me to take a photo of you? Sure. I could send it to you if you want. Maybe, here, let's turn around. Okay, okay. Oh yeah, that's better. And then one smile. See?
Oh wow, that's so cute.
Yeah. Do you have an email I can send it to?
I do actually.
Sweet. Awesome, whenever I get this edited, I'll just shoot them over to you on the old email.
That sounds
Yeah,
nice.
have a wonderful day. Dang it.
Dang it.
And no parking ticket. Yeah, baby. Yeah, come on, boys. Come on, boys. Yeah. Holy shit, yeah. I hope you liked my snaps. Overall, I was pretty impressed with how they turned out despite my camera only having 12 megapixels. If you have any ideas for videos you'd like to see me make on this internet channel, there is a brand new section below the video and it's a forum and you can post what you want to say and then I'll see it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to be automatically enrolled in my upcoming camera camp next year. Join my Discord server, the Zachy Mayfam, to make some internet friends. And like the video because today and today only, 1 like equals 1 payment on my credit card statement during the holidays. And as always, text me when you get home so I know you're safe. There's a bug on the lens. It just landed. It's like right on the front.
I don't see it.
Text me when you get home. I really care about you and I want to know that you're home safe. So let me know and I'll see you very soon. Next week, actually. 1 a week, baby.